Welcome to our haunted kitchen, where we're whipping up some spooky Halloween treats. With a twist! These creepy creations come with an unexpected ingredient: insurance benefits. You heard that right. Just like these desserts, insurance protects you from the unexpected. So, grab your cauldron and let's cook up 3 ghoulish goodies. First up, ghostly Marshmallow Pops. These spooky pops are quick and easy. All you need are marshmallows, white chocolate, and some chocolate chips for those eerie little eyes. Dip your marshmallows in melted white chocolate, add the eyes, and let them set. Beautiful. Just like these marshmallow pops are a sweet surprise, home insurance can save you from scary surprises too. From broken windows to burst pipes, having insurance is like having an extra layer of protection when the unexpected creeps in. Next, we're stirring up some magic with Hat Cupcakes. Start with your favorite cupcake base, top them with green frosting for that witchy flair, and add a chocolate cone for the hat. Don't forget the candy buckle for that final spell-binding touch. Much like how these cupcakes have a hat for protection, auto insurance protects you on the road. Whether it's a fender bender or something scarier, auto insurance keeps you safe from the unknown. Our final fright, Spiderweb Brownies. Bake your favorite brownie mix, then use white icing to draw spooky spiderwebs on top. Add a chocolate spider if you dare. Just like these intricate spiderwebs, cybersecurity insurance weaves a web of protection over your personal data, keeping you safe from online dangers. In today's digital age, you can never be too careful. Now that you have some tasty and spooky treats to enjoy, remember, just like these Halloween desserts, insurance is there to protect you from life's unexpected tricks. Whether it's your home, car, or even your data, having the right insurance means you're covered. At Klinger Insurance Group, we make sure you have all the coverage you need to stay protected. Call us at 301-428-4935 and let us help you choose the best insurance for your spooky life. Stay safe, stay insured, and have a frightfully fun Halloween.